I completed this book in just 6 hours. And when I was completing it, it was around 3 a.m. And here are the things I loved about the book. So there is this guy who is Neil, and he gets into a marriage with Adya Iyer. So she is the FMC. And when he's marrying her, there is a reason behind why he's marrying her. Maybe it is for revenge, you never know. And Adya is not aware of it, yet she's not ready to get married. After marriage, they're not getting along easily. There is a distance between them. In the first 30 pages, it had the usual plotline, and I was not so into it because I felt, okay, this is going to be the same. But once the revelation hits, I was laying and reading it before that. Once it comes to that point, I just sat up and I read everything sitting in the middle of the night. It was as if the author is saying, grab your popcorn and be seated. This phase was really interesting because you can see both are defending their opinions. They don't see from each other's point of view, but they stand their ground. They think their point of view is right. And when you see it as a reader, you also know that both are right in their own ways. The writing in that part was really convincing to justify both their point of view. Once the story progressed from there, it will keep you on the edge to know who did this, who did that. It was thrilling and it was full of suspense. And through all of this, you don't even remember when Neil and Adya started to express their feelings for each other. I really love these kind of romance books where the romance scene are not forced into the readers. It was gradual, it was evolving through the plot lines. You can see the husband and wife kind of chemistry between Neil and Adya. The chemistry was so natural, nothing felt forced or off the line. About Neil, as a teenager, he was lively, but things happen, and after which he becomes cold. So from the first chapter, he was shown as this cold person. Even though he had this bossy, commanding attitude, but you can still feel that he's not someone who he is pretending to be. There is something about the writing that convinces you that Neil is not what he's showing himself as. Even though he had this bossy attitude, there is some vulnerabilities, there is this tenderness, there is this soft boy inside him. About Adya, Adya doesn't take shit from anyone. She stands her ground, she knows how to set her boundaries, and I loved her spirit. Overall, if you watched Ishq Baaz and if you loved Kalyani Milka track, then you'll definitely love this, where you can see both romance and suspense with a secret in it. I am as lazy as a panda, and I was feeling super energetic after completing this book, so you should know I enjoyed it.